Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn Cramer's rule for solving linear equations in two variables. Now for this rule we need some basic concept, that is determinant. So let us see two examples on determinant, how to solve a determinant. Determinant is some values written between these two lines. If I write 2, 1, 3, 5, there are two rows and two columns. To get value for this determinant, we multiply these two terms first. See, the sequence is important. This multiplication first. 5 2s are 10, and then minus this multiplication, 3 1s are 3, and we get the result as 7. Let us see one more sum. Minus 3 2 1 5. Again, first this multiplication with signs, plus into minus minus. 5 3s are 15, minus 1 into 2 is 2, minus 15 minus 2 is minus 17. So this is the way to find the value of a determinant. If we are very clear with this, then the question is very simple, solving these two equations by Cramer's rule. Now what the rule says, the first step we have to do is we have to arrange the terms in the standard form. So what is standard form of the equation? Term of x, term of y equal to the constant term. When we arrange two equations in this form, we have to write three steps. Step 1 is we write d, we have to write some determinant. Step 2 we write dx, again we have to write some determinant. And the step 3 is dy, again we have to write a determinant. d, dx, dy. What is this d? It is determinant of coefficients of x and y. So 2, 3, 3, and here coefficient of y is minus 1. Coefficients are 2, 3, 3, minus 1. In dx, what we have to write? We have to replace coefficients of x by these constants. So 2 and 3 will be replaced by 7 and 5. In this d, we replace 2, 3 by 7 and 5 coefficients of x and write 3 minus 1 as it is. And in dy what we do is, we replace these coefficients of y by constant and coefficients of x as it is. 2, 3, 7, 5. Now just we have to solve these determinants. So value of d will be minus 2 minus 9, that is equal to minus 11. Value of dx will be equal to minus 1 into 7 is minus 7, minus 5 into 3 is 15. What is minus 7 minus 15? It is minus of 22. And third value dy equal to 5 2s are 10 minus 3 7s are 21, that is 10 minus 21 is minus 11. So once we find all these three values d, dx and dy, the last step will give the solution. Value of x is given by dx upon d and value of y is given by dy upon d. Now just put the values and solve. Dx is minus 22, d is minus 11 and dy is minus 11 upon minus 11. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So this is the solution of the linear equations in two variables by Cramer's rule. Steps to be remembered is find three determinants d, dx, dy, x equal to dx upon d, y equal to dy upon d, and we get the answer. This is all for today's video. Thank you.